Hi guys, I'm back with another question on the substrand Introduction to Biology. This is grade 10 question. Question 4 says, state the field of biology that deals with each of the following, which is 3 marks. The first one is study of insects. The second one is study of classification of organism. And the third is study of animals. And B, state the 4 careers related to biology. Answers is 1. The study of insect is called entomology. The study of classification of organism is called taxonomy. And the study of animals is called zoology. And then B, the correct answer is doctor. You can be a veterinary. You can be a pharmacist. And also you can be a dentist.